Contestant number. Contestant number. Contestant number 1. Jyotina Glenn.
Kia katayaw le kemen ki samla puli ka Ribhoy College bala tip kum ka 36th Annual College Week ka bala sedang haka pratari gunai wing rapan kudna mutakas ngi ka khat artari gunai wing hapdeng ka jing ipu iping haka ba jan baro ki samla puli jong ka college ka laishem benta halaki jong ki benta haka singi ben kod ya ka tayaw le kemen ki samla puli uba Meryl Bonds MLA nongpo ula shakhot sngo bha ban long kumu kongsan haka jinga don lang u EC Benny Vice Principal ka Ribhoy College usamla Jason Lennox nongrom President ka Ribhoy College Student Union kinong hikai lamar ki samla puli jong ka teka college haka teka singi pen kod ya ka teka tayaw le kemen layu i ba ki samla puli ki bala pen i ki sap ki pong lakalong haka rwai ka shat lambar ka jingya ko prangkan sa bathai bhabriu Miss and Mr Ribhoy bala shimbanta shid rahem le ki samla puli jong ka teka college kenthai bat shenrang haka jingya ko thai bhabriu bat rangkan sa jong ka Ribhoy College ya ka nam ladu jong ka Miss Ribhoy College layo ra ka samla Jyotina Glenn bari ka nam Mr Ribhoy College layo ra samla Rishan Langki Lenser haka teka sngi na kalyang jong ba Meryl Bonds mulai tiru reki shuki bat ki jersey shaka teka shlam ajing stan kum kadak ka jing snok tilang bar ka teka shlam ajing stan
kmi samla kma jong phi ba pintip shanu ban phai udon uklur ban lam lenti im ga kerteng sa kanam uklur ude ubo pranai stars used to shine. But star does not shine because they want to be seen. They shine because they are stars. So it is very important that each and every one of you, you have to consider yourself as a star. You may be a rock star, you may be a shining star, you may be a star in your studies, you may be a star in any part of your life. But you have to consider yourself that you are a star. As I have said, star does not shine because they want to be seen. They shine because they are a star, the original star. You would like to see students of Ribhoy College? They will shine, they will be a star of Ribhoy College, a star of Ribhoy District, to shine in days to come. At the same time, each and every student, you are the captain of your own ship that you are going to sail through from one end of the ocean to the another end. It is very important.
Contestant number 13. Last but not the least, contestant number 4. Thank you, ladies. A huge round of applause.
present here, respected judges, teachers, and to you all, my dear friend. My name is Divya Tadu. I am from Education Department, first semester. According to me, the answer of your question is, if I would judge this contest, I would like to choose communication, confident, good character that I behave with other contestants behind the stage. Thank you.
Huge round of applause to all the ladies.
Can you please have the Mr. Rivai College 2022 contestants on the stage?
Alright, give it up for the Mr. and Miss.
What's that sound? Come on now.
Another huge round. Thank you, Ms. D. Shabong and Sir F. Sotun.